Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8 in Redline Red. Brand new tires on this bad boy, 55,786 miles. This thing is beautiful. Listen to it rumble, right? Dual exhaust, power lift gate, leather interior. Again, brand new tires on this thing all the way around. This thing is ready for your driveway. Dual pane sunroof, Harman Kardon sound system, power telescopic steering wheel.
Southern California's classic rock.
Backup camera. This thing's amazing. Give us a call at Buy Your Ride, 805-507-2244. That's 805-507-2244.